Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. To make my super Christmassy glazed carrots, these are just literally incredible. You need these for your Christmas Day roast because these taste so good and they go with whatever you're going to be serving, whether that's turkey, goose, beef, salmon on croûte, you name it, these go really lovely. You can choose to use the rack or the crisper basket. It's up to you, air fryer basket. Sometimes it's just easier to put them into here. We're going to steam the carrots to start with. Now I've cut my carrots at a little bit of an angle and we've got some good sized wedge pieces as you can see here. So get those all in and let's get those steaming. So let's select steam here. So let's have a check on these carrots. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, some of them are a little firm still, but we are going to be doing a second process. So let's just generally check them. Obviously, it's going to be personal choice to how you like your veg as well. See, a lot of people are going to like it a little bit more firm and some people are going to like it really soft. So you kind of can do what you wish. I think for me, I'm going to give these just a little bit longer. Now your pot is nice and warm. Get that onto Sear and Sauté, and I'm going to add in my knob of butter. And we can tip in our steamed carrots straight into that butter that is melting. These are so indulgent, but remember it's Christmas and these recipes come once a year. You wait for the next bit. But now this makes them taste like the best carrots you've ever eaten. Absolutely so delicious. So you can see that this isn't really going to be cooking the carrots much further. So you do want to get them to the right texture when you're steaming them because this really isn't going to be kind of cooking them much further. Now I'm going to turn down the Sear and Sauté. We don't want that too hot because we don't want to burn those sugars. And then you can add some seasoning to them as well. So there we are, glazed carrots for Christmas. Little sprinkle of parsley over the top. And they are so delicious and perfect for Christmas Day. Absolutely gorgeous, so sweet and so beautiful and absolutely lovely to have on Christmas Day.